Beyond reproduction. How the menstrual cycle reshapes the entire body for decades, medical science has often treated the menstrual cycle as a variable to be controlled, a source of biological noise that complicates clinical data. However, groundbreaking research is shifting this perspective, revealing that the monthly cycle is not just a reproductive event, but a profound systemic transformation. A woman's period reshapes the chemical landscape of her entire bloodstream, altering the patterns of roughly 200 proteins with such precision that a single blood draw can now accurately pinpoint a specific day in the cycle. The molecular rhythm of the body proteins act as the body's primary molecular workers, regulating everything from immune responses and tissue repair to blood vessel function. The research shows that these proteins do not fluctuate randomly. Instead, they follow 4 distinct patterns synchronized with the menstrual cycle. Menstruation phase. Proteins rise to assist in the breakdown of uterine tissue. Post-menstrual phase. A second group peaks to facilitate tissue repair and rebuilding. Ovulation phase. Proteins such as oxytocin surge to support the release of an egg. Luteal phase. A final group increases to prepare the uterus for potential pregnancy and bolster immune surveillance. Crucially, many of these signals appear to originate in the uterus, which acts as a biological broadcaster, sending molecular instructions that ripple across the entire body. From normal biology to disease risk, the most significant implication of this study lies in the thin line between healthy cycling and reproductive pathology. The same proteins that drive a normal cycle are often the same ones linked to chronic conditions. Bleeding disorders. One specific protein linked to uterine lining growth is a major red flag. Women with elevated levels of this protein face more than double the risk of heavy, frequent, or irregular bleeding. Fibroids. Certain proteins are strongly associated with uterine fibroids non-cancerous growths that affect nearly 80% of women by age 50. Endometriosis and cancer. Genetic analysis suggests that high levels of follicle-stimulating proteins can drive the tissue overgrowth characteristic of endometriosis and may even correlate with increased ovarian cancer risks. This connection suggests that for many women, reproductive diseases are not external intruders, but rather an intensification of the body's own natural monthly rhythms. A new standard for diagnostic accuracy, the ability to track these protein shifts, offers a major leap forward in clinical diagnostics. Currently, doctors often rely on estrogen levels to track cycles, but this is notoriously unreliable. A new scoring system, based on 75 specific protein measurements, can predict the cycle day far more accurately than estrogen tracking ever could. This precision has 2 vital applications in modern medicine: preventing misdiagnosis. Many standard tests, such as cholesterol panels and inflammatory markers, fluctuate based on the menstrual cycle. Knowing a patient's exact cycle day can prevent doctors from misinterpreting normal hormonal fluctuations as disease. Early detection. By identifying when protein levels shift from normal variation into harmful territory, clinicians may soon be able to diagnose conditions like endometriosis or fibroids much earlier than current methods allow. The shift in women's healthcare, the menstrual cycle, is transitioning from a poorly understood biological variable into a powerful diagnostic tool. By moving away from viewing the cycle as noise and instead treating it as a fundamental biological rhythm, medicine can begin to understand why certain diseases affect women so disproportionately. This research paves the way for more personalized, accurate, and proactive healthcare for women worldwide.